Starting a business is never easy. You will need to decide on your service or product offering, what your target audience will be, and when it's the good time to launch. According to a study from Vistaprint, 62% of people in the US want to become business owners. But how many actually know what it takes to start, run, and grow a business? And is it the right time in their life to begin one? If you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. My name is Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a project manager for both agile and predictive environments, as well as working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs. Now, if you are ready to know when is the right time for you to start a small business, let's get to it. Not all business ideas are unique, and they are not given to just one person. You is the one who takes action, who eventually wins. Therefore, as soon as you get an idea, you should act on it. Entrepreneurs show many reasons for starting their businesses, including disliking their current job, needing a creative outlet, or just feeding a desire for more money. Regardless of what motivates you, the timing and reason for establishing a business must be purposeful. Here are some important steps and considerations to determine if it's the right time to bring your business venture to fruition. Research and find your target audience. At the heart of every great idea is who you intend to serve. Your target audience comprises the people who need or want your product or service, and in turn can help your business become successful. A recent study published by startup-focused content site found that 90% of startups fail. One of the main reasons was that the product was not a good fit for the chosen market. To find out if there even is a market for your business, doing research is critical. According to the Small Business Administration (SBA), the key is to discovering your strengths and unique selling propositions and ultimately identifying your target market are conducting market research, such as gathering demographic data on age, population, and wealth, analyzing consumer behavior and economic trends. For example, Jasmine Thompson established her vegan hair care brand Winnie & Co. after not being able to find moisturizing products for her daughter's hair. In a phone interview with The Balance, which is an American website focused on simplifying personal finance topics and news, Jasmine said, "In my search to find the right product for my daughter, I realized others' moms were having the same problem. To develop her vegan-based hair products for young children, Jasmine used her membership in Facebook parenting groups to communicate with other mothers and get feedback on their needs. This, in turn, inspired her to put thoughts into action and start her business." Test out your idea on the target market. If you have a business idea but are not sure that it's going to work, the best way to find out is to test the waters. In 2019, Tunita White, owner of Doppily Lit, had an idea to launch a home fragrance with the goal of marketing soy-based candles to who she refers to as the urban consumer. She said, "I just kept coming back to the idea of a home fragrance line. I needed a creative outlet and I wanted it to be something I loved and enjoyed." The busy mother of twins decided to start small and test the market by creating 2 fragrances. Tunita then made a budget for supplies and opened pop-up shops. After trying her business idea and realizing that people loved her products, she, as an entrepreneur, decided to move forward in 2020. She developed a website and a social media presence to flesh out her business. In addition, White expanded her line to include a holiday fragrance and candle melts. Do you have the time, energy, and resources? If you are ready to launch a business, you will need to have time to devote to it, energy to push throughout difficult times, financial resources, and network that will support your business. While you may be anxious to get your business started, time is a crucial factor you need to consider, especially in regards to your home and professional life. you should still believe in the value of your idea. Just consider how you can fulfill your vision in a more reasonable way. Financial resources. How do you plan on funding your new business? For many entrepreneurs, launching a business will mean creating a budget for legal structure, operating costs, marketing, and supplies. And as a part of running your business, you will have recurrent expenses. The amount of money you need to run your business depends significantly on the type of the operation you are establishing. For instance, an entrepreneur who is starting a blog will have a very few expenses, yet someone launching a business that requires a storefront or lots of equipment will need a business plan and good credit to finance their idea. As you consider whether now is the right time to start your business, ask yourself these important financial questions. How much money do you have saved to fund your business? What does your credit look like? And will it help or hinder you from starting your business? If your credit is not good, what do you need to do to build your credit so you are ready to launch your business? What startup capital do you need to fund your business? What are your business expenses? How will launching this business help or hurt your personal finances, especially if you quit your job to start this business? Network support. This is the ability to network with others. Through social channels like LinkedIn and industry-related professional organizations, for example, is crucial to starting a business. Before starting a business, speak with business consultant to help you make a wise choice. Connecting with people in the right partnership will move you to the next level. You need to meet the right people and make connections. Seasonal considerations. The time of year may also influence your ability to start a business. Some people may start businesses at the beginning of the year because of the belief in a fresh start associated with the new year. Others may believe that establishing a business should happen when the market is suitable to receive their offering. For instance, if you are a baker, it makes sense to begin planning your business over the summer. By the fall, you can market your business offerings with tasting events in order to be ready for the holiday season. You have made a plan. Whatever your industry, the best way to launch a business is by developing a robust and strategic business plan and being realistic in your ability to execute and sustain it. Running a business, after all, requires dedication and an understanding of your target audience, your industry's economic outlook, and your own financial capabilities. However, a strong business plan, complete with your vision, competitive and market analysis, can reinforce your vision and help turn your idea into a reality at whichever time feels right for you. Now, I believe you have a good idea on when is the right time for you to start your small business. You can find here in my channel more videos about startup businesses and how to manage your projects. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like and share, and leave your feedback, questions or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.